Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to take a close-up look at Givi's Canyon 25-liter and 35-liter soft pannier cases, which I've chosen for my upcoming adventure rides on my KTM 890 Adventure R. Now, we've made a couple of previous videos about Givi luggage systems for my KTM, including the quick-release side pannier racks, as well as the hard Outback side pannier cases and the top case. That luggage is awesome. It goes on and off really easily. It looks spectacular, and it's great for the maybe more touring and oriented rides where there's more road riding. It certainly is rugged enough to withstand the kind of vibration and jostling abuse of off-road rides. However, when it comes to true adventure rides in more technical terrain or longer rides like you might find on a BDR, it is almost inevitable that the cases are going to come into contact with an obstacle or hit the ground at some point. And when that happens with hard cases, it is never good. Hard cases can scratch, dent, or break entirely off their mounts, and that leaves you without a way of carrying your much needed gear. So for those longer, more lengthy off-road excursions or more technical terrain, soft cases are absolutely the way to go, and for fairly obvious reasons. They're more soft and pliable, so if they make contact with something, they're not going to dent things or necessarily get ripped off the bike. Now, could that still happen in an extreme scenario? It certainly could, but it'd have to be a pretty extreme scenario, and the condition of your luggage may not be your concern in those unspeakable circumstances, so we're not going to go into that. Now, it's also nice to be able to cinch down the load. Because they're pliable, you can have these different strapping points where you can cinch down the load. If you've got a 35-liter case and it's only half full, cinch it all down. It's not going to jostle around and move. If you've got a 35-liter hard pannier case like my Outback cases and you only fill it halfway, well, over technical terrain, all the contents could be bouncing around, jumbling around, and could break what's in there. It could also dent the case from the inside out and make it not look as nice. And also, the fact that the weight might be moving around and jostling around over technical terrain will change the weight displacement and might actually make it more dangerous to ride over that technical terrain because the bike might be doing things that don't seem natural. So Givi's got two offerings in their Canyon line that are really geared towards this type of adventure riding in these extreme conditions. And we're going to start by talking about the 25-liter cases. Now, obviously, 25 liters is the internal capacity of storage. You don't have to put all that in there, but that's about what they can take at their maximum fill. Now, this one happens to feature this cool front flap enclosure that I really like that has a hard PVC liner that then ties into the 8 different strapping points, and it helps distribute the load as you strap that down and helps compact it even more firmly. But it also features an internal mesh zipper pocket where you can put things you might need quick access to. I also really like this because it's a great spot to maybe stash something like a jacket that you want quick access to, or a pair of flip-flops, so that when you stop the ride, you want to get off and take your boots off, you got a set of footwear right there, easy access. Now, this bag also features 8 side loops, 4 on each side, and those can be used to strap external bags to this to actually expand the capacity. So that's one thing that's really nice about this. Givi makes a number of different size bags around sort of 3 liters to 10 liters. You can essentially add extra storage to the outside, maybe for those things you want to access quickly. So you have essentially an expandable bag. You just got different bags you lash together. The whole construction of the case is made out of 1200 denier polyester, which is extremely robust, but then it's also coated with this interesting waterproof coating and a rubber-like finish texture material called Hypalon, and that's really resistant to chemicals, extreme levels of heat like you might experience on a motorcycle, and excessive UV light, making this overall a very rugged piece of luggage. The main bag features eyelets at the bottom of the bag to help any moisture that gets inside the bag ventilate out or drain out if it really got a lot of water in there. But there is also an IPX5 rated roll top inner bag. And that's that fluorescent yellow color bag that's intended to load all your gear in there, roll that top enclosure, and it's IPX5 rated, which means it's going to be resistant to pretty decent amount of rain and moisture, as well as 100% dust proof. It also is very easy to slide in and out of the case, allowing you to pull it out, easily access what you need in that bag, and then roll the top back up, slide it back in, and cinch it all down with the outer enclosure, making this very waterproof and resistant to extreme conditions. It's also a really clean design, and the color black is obviously going to go with almost any bike, and it's nice, refined looking luggage that you wouldn't mind carrying into a nice hotel. It's also got this really good looking logo, and that's reflective so the drivers can see you at night. Additionally, it's got this polycarbonate backing plate, which is going to help the the bag carry weight and distribute it into the rack system. And it's also quick release with their Monokey design, meaning you can just very easily mount it onto the Pannier side racks from Givi with one very simple modification. That's the OFMK package. And we'll put a link to that along with all of these products into the description of this video. So everything we're talking about here, you can check out those links. Those will take you over to Motoroso.com. You can always reach us there on live chat or call us anytime, toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. And we will show you how to install these and get them set up on the bike in the next segment of this video. Now moving on to the big boys, the 35-liter Canyon cases from Givi. Obviously 10 liters more capacity per side for a total of 70 liters. It's made from the same 1200 denier polyester with that rubberized Hypalon lining in the key areas and in actually more areas of this bag to protect it from extreme heat, moisture, chemicals, and UV light. It also features a heavier duty inner roll bag. Now that inner roll bag is IP65, meaning it's going to be heavily waterproof, meaning it can withstand sustained high pressure water as well as be 100% dust proof. And so we'll show you just how much more robust that inner liner is on this one. Also, this inner liner features its own reinforced strap mounts and a carrying strap versus the Canyon 25s, which just feature a slide in and out bag, but no carrying strap for that. So you can actually leave these on the bike and then slide out the inner bag, carry it with the carrying strap. If you don't want to take the whole case in, you can just leave the outers locked onto the bag. And lastly, on that inner bag, they also feature a second waterproofed document pocket for things like passports or immigration papers. And as you can tell by how much more robust that inner bag is, this is the set that they're thinking is more suited towards the more extreme excursions. Because of the extra capacity, Givi does know that you're going to be carrying more weight, and therefore they do use a different mounting system than the 25-liter cases. In this case, they provide this robust polycarbonate mounting plate that mounts on and around the existing Givi Pannier racks for convenience. These plates mount onto those racks in under 5 minutes a side, and we're going to be showing you how to do that. And this is a much more robust mounting system that's going to support that extra weight and punishment. Additional features on these 35-liter bags includes this MOLLE webbing system and the accessories to mount and strap quick access tools or these very lightweight polycarbonate carabiners to the side of the bag. Now that MOLLE system goes down one side of the bag and across the bottom, allowing you to strap stuff to the outside of the bag. Really, really convenient feature. In addition to that, it features this water bottle sized pocket on the other end of the bag, and that's for anything you might want quick access to. And it has its own IPX65 waterproof roll top bag, but it is conveniently waterproof or fuel canister sized. And I like that they flipped the sides of these bags. So when you mount these on the bike, you can either have the water bottle pocket towards the back of the bike on both sides or towards the front of the bike on both sides. And if I am carrying liquid, that's heavy. I want that weight as far forward into towards the middle of the bike as possible. So I'm going to set this up so that those water bottle pockets are right there and easy for me to access, and the weight is forward on the bike. So again, we're going to put links to all these products in the description. I'm going to put a link to the 35-liter Pannier bags right here. But next up, we're going to show you just how easy it is to install these on the bike and how they look. Okay, to install our 25-liter cases, we're going to start with the base Pannier rack, which we installed in a separate video. And this is the upper retaining clip for the Outback Trekker hard cases. So this is going to come off, and these nubs are going to come off, and then we're going to install the new hardware from the OFMK kit. Now, while you're taking this out, there are two very, very little springs in the back housing here. Don't let those fall out. Try to hold that little plastic clip in so those springs don't fall. Next up, there are some press fittings in the top two holes here. We need to tap these out. A screwdriver or something similar in size should do it. With those holes freed up, first we're going to pull through these little rubber bushings through these two holes. Then we're going to use the Monokey latch and these two 5mm bolts and mount those right here in the pre-drilled location. Next, we'll use a 4mm to remove the nubs on the bottom. Then using the supplied replacement nub with this vibration damping backing plate and the backing plate for the backside, go ahead and mount this up in order. Now with all that installed, these little rubber bushings down here are going to act as a pressure plate, and the case is going to press against those rubber bushings, helping it stay nice and firmly planted. Very, very easy install, like all the Monokey stuff from Givi. There it goes. So as you can see, the 25 liter is a nice compact size. That bottom of that bag, we measured it, it's 21 inches from the ground without me sitting on the bike. And let's say we probably lose an inch or two there. It's also nice and compact and out of the way. So if I have to put my foot down in a technical situation and my foot goes back, the odds of my leg getting trapped underneath that case is really, really low. And that is one of the common ways that injuries can happen, especially with hard cases. Now we'll get on with our 35 liter cases. All right, for our 35 liter plate, it is actually quite a bit easier than the 25 liter system. First, the plate includes holes that'll slide right over those nubs on the bottom from the Outback Trekker series, and it has cutouts that'll go around the latching system for the Outback Trekker hard cases. Then you're gonna have a couple of brackets that go around the back. There are two that are marked low, those go down here on the bottom, and there are two that are marked top, and those go up here on the top. And you simply place the bolt with a washer through these retaining plates, throw the nut on the back side, and it'll be retained in that channel, and you can have this whole thing bolted up in just about 3 minutes. This all together. As promised, those plates mount up extremely quickly for the 35 liter bag and don't require that you disassemble anything off your existing pannier rack. And then you're simply going to line up these slots on the back with the plate, and everything will drop right into place. As you can see, this doesn't have a clicking lock-in mechanism like the 25 liter. Instead, you twist that key, turn it, and now that's fully locked on, latched on the bike, and it won't come off until you turn that key and lift it up. So 35 liter cases actually go on easier, as you can see, and you don't sacrifice anything in ground clearance from the bottom of the bag. That's actually the same height. It was actually a little bit taller, almost 22 inches. So plenty of still ground clearance for me. Should I need to dab, don't have to worry about trapping my legs. And like I said, I like to have the bottle here at the front, because if I want to stop and just grab a quick drink of water without wearing a Camelback, I can have that bottle right there. And if I'm really worried about it falling out, I can use this strap to go through my handle. So the weight does sit a little bit higher on this side with the 35 liter. We've got the 25 liter on the left side over here. And so you can see that the weight comes up. That's certainly something to consider. You want as little weight as high on the bike as you can get it. And I've got this massive 58 liter hard case still, and this is the way I plan to ride the bike and configure the bike. I'm not so worried about this hard case hitting the ground. And I also think that when I'm out camping, this hard case is going to act as a tabletop surface for me to cook on. Could act as a seat to sit on. So I really, really like that. But one thing that we also noticed is that you could actually use the Canyon 25 liter, because the latching mechanism is the same. You can use it on that Monokey top plate. So I could have soft bags all the way around and do a nice small 25 liter bag on the top of the tail there as a smaller capacity and less weight on the tail. So really, really happy with these soft bags. We'll be using both out in the field. You're just gonna have to decide which ones are right for you. We'll put links to these products in the description. Now I'll put links to these 25 liter cases right here. Those links are gonna take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, again, you are gonna need the Givi Pannier side rack. It is quick release. We made a separate video about that. Check that out right over here. And we cover off on the tank case and the hard side cases there as well. You might want to get a set of those so you have a full luggage setup for all your riding. Thanks for watching. Take care.